Did a little horse trading with a fellow YouTuber. That last candle holder I made, I sent off to him, and he sent off to me this hand grinder, which I thought would be an excellent tool to add to my bucket-o blacksmithing tools over here. Just so you can look in there and see what you can see. I got hammers, I got brushes, I got files, I got tongs, I got chisels. Speaking of which, I'll get a chisel out right now. And anyway, I got a brand new 5-inch grinding wheel for it. Just come in the mail today. Had to add a washer right there, but that's no big deal. So you turn the crank, and you got a grinder. See how this works here. So it's not, for sure not 110 volt, but it does some grinding. Sharpened that cold chisel right up. Now, in case some of you don't know, you saw me moving that chisel like that. That's the way I was taught to sharpen a chisel. It gives you that rounded effect. There, I don't know if it was right or wrong, but that's the way my daddy taught me. There we go. I think that'll be a real nice addition to the blacksmithing toolkit. I had a piece of oak over there in the corner that I've had for years from the sawmill. I cut a piece of it to clamp into my leg vise, and that'll work real good. You can clamp it onto about anything. That works pretty slick. I like it. I like it a lot. See ya.